Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Skip the common mistake of boiling brats and grill them directly for a perfect char and incredibly juicy bite. Direct grilling instantly ensures maximum flavor development and that satisfying snap everyone loves. Prepare your grill for success by setting it up for two-zone cooking. This smart approach creates different heat levels, giving you ultimate control for perfectly cooked brats every time. Creating two distinct heat zones on your grill is absolutely key for precise temperature control and achieving beautifully even cooking every time. One side needs to be hot and direct, ready for searing, while the other remains much cooler and indirect. This clever method expertly prevents the brats from burning on the outside, all while ensuring they cook thoroughly and deliciously through to the center. Begin your brat grilling journey by searing them over the direct, hot heat. Aim for about 3 to 5 minutes per side to build that incredible, rich flavor and a beautiful brown crust. This initial high heat action locks in all the delicious juices. Remember to turn your brats frequently during this step to prevent any unwanted charring in just one spot, ensuring even browning. After searing, it's time to move your brats to the indirect, cooler side of the grill. This allows them to finish cooking slowly and evenly, preventing the exterior from burning while the internal temperature rises perfectly. Continue cooking them until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. A meat thermometer is your best friend here, ensuring perfectly safe and delicious results every single time. Once your brats are perfectly cooked, resist the urge to cut into them immediately. Instead, let them rest off the grill for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This crucial step allows all those delicious, natural juices to redistribute throughout the sausage. Resting ensures every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful, never dry. Serve them hot on a bun with your favorite toppings for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.